Hello everybody, welcome to my video. It's me Manish Lal from Softwaretica College of IT and E-Commerce, batch 28B Computing. My Coventry ID is 10734744 and college ID is 200103. At the end of third semester, I have completed my assignment project of web development. My project is an e-commerce website which is called Hungrypal. It is simply the online food ordering system. I have completed this project with Django, Python framework along with the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap and with MySQL database. I hope this website will be very much useful in the coming days. The main purpose of this website is to create an online platform through which customers order food of their own interest and make payment through different online gateway. In the present context, it will be safe to promote restaurant and online business. Okay, let's talk about the system. I'm going to run the project through Python terminal with the code python manage.py. Here. Let's click on the link. Okay, this is the home page or say main interface of the website. It's quite simple but pretty too. Okay, let's order the food from this website. Firstly, I want to say that this contains home section, category section, cart section, contact section, sign up, sign in, admin and search button. Here I have footer and I have used paginations to go to the next page in this way. Okay, and let's stop from here. Here are the categories along with the respective foods. Whatever food we want to buy, we can check the details of the food or directly add to the cart. Okay, I want to see the details first. Here are the details. This means how many times user viewed. Here is the return policy. So if I want to eat chow mein, then add to cart, then it will show the message that the product added to the cart successfully. Now let's go to the cart. This is the interface of the cart section. Here we can see plus, minus, into. It means if we click on the plus, it will increase the quantity of chow mein or the food that we selected. If we click on minus, it will reduce the quantity. Or if we click into, or if we click on the empty, then all the foods that we selected will be erased. Let's add some foods. Add to cart. I want to add this again. I want to have biryani also. Okay. Before placing the order, we need to check out. When we click on the checkout, it will redirect to the customer login form, because without logging into the system, no one can buy the food. This is a kind of security concern. So here are registered options. If we haven't registered, then we click on the register here. Okay. iOS username, password. Okay, iOS email for him. Okay, check this email. Full name iOS totally. Address buffer. Now register is a customer. After we registered, then we get this page. For placing the order, we need to fill these forms. Order by iOS totally, shipping, buffer on contact form, email, this one. Okay, whatever email you kept, then okay, We have integrated two payment system, that is Khalti and eSeva. Now I am going to use eSeva for the payment of the food. Okay, then place order. It will redirect to the eSeva. I already have the eSeva ID, so let's go through it. Here is the detail, continue payment, then confirm payment. Okay, after this our place is already ordered and the admin can view the order that we have placed. Sign out once. For reset password, click on here, then click on email, get reset link. Now the password reset link is sent to the Gmail. So let's check Gmail. Okay, here is the reset link. Then simply click on the link. We got this page. Now let's change the password. Okay, and yes, I have kept the password. Then reset it now. Now the password has been reset. My username was yours. Before my password was IS1. If we click with the password, it will say invalid credentials. So we need to click right password, AAYUSH, username, then AAYUSH, password that we have changed before. Then simply click as login. Now we are logged in. In this way we can reset our password if we forget the password. If we directly search food that we want, then simply click the name. I want to search Coke. Then click on the Coke. It will show the Coke details. If we want this, then simply add to cart. Okay. Let's talk about admin section. For admin, we need to log in. Admin, so let's go through it. Admin. This is the dashboard or interface of the admin. Whatever we have placed the order before, that is the pending orders list. If we click on the all orders, this interface is shown. Here, status is order received. If we want to see the details of the order, then click on the order details. Then it will show the details who have ordered and what things they have ordered. Okay. Here are the products. Here are all the product lists that have been added before. If admin want to delete the product, then simply click on delete, or if you want to edit, then click on edit. I want to delete a product, watermelon. Let's delete it. When we delete the product, it will erase from the board. Then here are 8 category section. Let's add a category. What should I add? I want to add Chinese dish. Okay, I want to add Chinese. Dish as a category. Then submit. Okay, title of the Chinese, let's say crunchy fish. Let's say crunchy fish, slug, crunchy dot fish. Let's say this. Here is the category that we have added before. Then click here, desktop. Here is the fish, edit, set the mark price, like I want to set 120, select price, let's say 100, decision paste, finished, Waste fish. Okay, this one, no. I don't want to add more. I don't want to add more photos, so simply submit. Now we can see the crunch fish that we have added before. So here is the contact. This is all about my project. Thank you.